Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this car haul series on my YouTube channel. This is car haul number 27. So this is what we have going today. Now I don't mind saying that I'm not the biggest fan of any of these cars. I just picked this up because I think I got it for like $5. So what do we have in here? We have a fire rescue truck. We have a police car. We have a purple car, whatever it is. We have this green car. We have a six-wheeler that I wish the tires were black, but they're not. We have a fire chief SUV. We have this truck right here. Looks like it could be some type of fire truck. Maybe for the airport, I'm not sure. But it is a big four-wheel drive. It might be for the forestry division. I'm not sure. We have this concept SUV Jeep type vehicle. And we have another Jeep on top of it. So, like I said, I'm not a real big fan of this series, but I got it so cheap I had to get it and show you what's available. In fact, I might just go ahead and rip this open, take it apart. Nah, I'm just going to leave it together. I'll probably give this away maybe for Toys for Tots this coming year. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. I appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.